Welcome to our YouTube channel Shri BHAGVAT GURUKUL 369. Today's topic in Vedic math class is division. How to multiply any number which is close to the base number. Like we can multiply any number with a number which is close to the base number. So we will start with 9 because 9 is closest to the base number 10, and then we will move to the other numbers like 7, 8, 99, 88, 98 kind of. So let's start. Let's take an example. We are dividing 53 by 9. So what we will do in Vedic math class, we will apply a very different method here. We don't have to do the table of 9 to divide this number. So what we will do, first we see the divisor is how many digits. Is it a 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit? So how many digit it is? It is 1 here. So first we will write down the number which by which we are dividing, and then we will put a line depending on how many digits we are here. We have 1 digit here, so we will put the line here. Then what we will do, we will put 9's difference from the base, which is 1. We will put 1 here. In the next line, what we do, we take this 5 number down here. So we took 5 number down here, and then what we do, we multiply this number with the difference, which is 1. 5 ones are 5, and we write it down to the next number, under the next number. 5 ones are 5, so 5 we will write down here. And then what is next? You add these numbers. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So any number which comes on after this line is a remainder, and any number which comes before that line is a answer. So what is the answer? Is 5 is the answer, and remainder is 8. That's it. Let's take another example. We are dividing 64 divided by 9. So what we will do here, 64, we will put a line after 1 digit because we have 1 digit here. So then we take 6 number down. Now we will write down here difference of 9 from base, which is 1. Next line, 6 ones are 6, we write it down here. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So we got a 10 remainder. Now here we need to think about it. We are dividing by number 9. So divisor, remainder cannot be more than the divisor. So what will happen now? So we will divide the remainder by 9 again and see what is the remainder then. So if we will divide 10 by 9, so we will get 1 answer and 1 remainder. So that is 1 answer and 1 remainder, and this one will go carry over to here. So answer will be 7, remainder 1. That's it. So if we got a remainder here 13, so then the remainder will be 4, and we will add 1 carry here. That's it. Let's take another example. Three, 2, 5 divided by 9. 3, 2, 5. So we will put line here. Then difference of 9 from 10 is 1, and we take this number down, 3. So 3 ones are 3, so we will put 3 here to the next digit. So now add these two. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Now 5 ones are 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So again remainder is 10, divisor is 9. So remainder cannot be bigger than the divisor. So we divide this 10 by 9. So we will get 1 remainder One answer, one remainder. For this one, we will take carryover. So final answer is 36, remainder 1. That is the final answer. Let's take one more example before we move to the next lesson, next video. Okay, so let's say we are dividing the number by 8. So we can do this number by 8. So we will write down 3, 2, 3. So we will put line here because 8 is only one digit. Then 8 difference from 10 is 2. So now we will write down here 2. So first we will take 3 number down. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So now 19 is bigger than 8. So remainder cannot be bigger than 8. So what we will do? So we will divide 19 by 8. So 8 times 2 is 16 and the remainder is 3. So what we will do now? This 2 will go carry over. So answer will be 40, remainder 3. That's the answer. Okay. One more example we will take. Dividing by 7. Let's say we have a number 1, 2, 3 divided by 7. So now we will write down the difference of 7 from the base number, and then 1, 2, 3 we will put line here. We will take 1 down. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 divided by 7. So 18 divided by 7 is 7 times 2 is 14 and the remainder is 4. This 2 will be carry over. So final answer is 17, remainder 4. That's the final answer. That's it. So in the next video we will learn how to divide the numbers with 2 digits. So because in these questions you might feel like it's easy to divide by 7 or by 8, but when we have to divide by 2 digits, then it becomes a little hard. So we have this method is very easy as compared to the normal method. So see you in the next video. Thank you.